Hi, this is Janet with Try It Like It Create, and today we are working with Artesprix products as a part of a sponsorship with the Designer Crafts Connection group. So what I have in front of me is a stamp that I'm going to be stamping using their Sublimation ink. I'm going to be stamping onto this beautiful canvas zipped case. I have my heat tape, I have some copy paper, I have my markers, and off camera I have my heat pad and my heating element. So to begin, I'm going to stamp the image onto paper. So I have brought in my works board and set everything up, and I'm just going to pick up that image, and then we're going to cover it with our ink. Now the reason I'm using a stamping platform with this is because if I don't get it inked correctly the first time, I can always go back in and stamp on top of it again. And since this is a large image, that is definitely a possibility. Alright, so let's see how this goes. It looks like I just need to stamp one little section here. There, and I think we've gotten everything. Alright, so I have moved my stamping platform out of the way, and just to show you that I am stamping my image on regular photo, or excuse me, not photo, but regular copy paper, printer paper. And this is the palette I'm going to be working with. I've got a couple of different packages of markers from Artesprix, and so I am just going to start with the lightest color and work my way out from there. So I'm just going to start coloring on my image and then go in to blend. Now keep in mind that the color you're seeing on the paper is not necessarily going to be the color you see once the heat is applied. It's time to tape our design down to our sublimation blank, and you decide, which side you want it on and where you want to place it. And I am going to use my EasyPress, and it is heating up off camera. So I am using the Artesprix heat resistant tape, and I am going to tape my design down to my piece. Now, this tape is the only tape that you should be using for your sublimation projects. If for some reason you accidentally tape over your image, it will not transfer. So make sure and be safe while you're taping your project down to your blank, that you have it taped in such a way that you are not covering the coloring with the tape. And then the next thing you're going to do is sandwich it between the paper. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a sandwich with the paper down, then my blank with my colored image on it. And then I'm going to, because I can fold this over, you could do it 2 different sheets, but I'm going to fold over the paper, and then I'm going to wait for my iron to heat up. And what I'm using is Cricut EasyPress. I have it heat set to 400, and it's going to go for 60 seconds. Now you can transfer with a home iron as well. Just make sure that you read the instructions from Artesprix on how to transfer your products. So my press was ready, and I'm going to bring it over and put it on top, and I am going to start the countdown. And I have put it up to the edge of the zipper, but not over the zipper, so that I get a smooth, easy press. And I'm letting this go for 60 seconds, and it will buzz at me when it's ready. And I'm giving it a little bit of pressure here to make sure that I've got contact. Now, you do not want to move your iron or your heat press in any way. Okay, so it's time to reveal. You want to let it cool, and then you also just want to lift up and peek and see if your design was transferred. Okay, now the other reason to use the tape is that if you need to heat this again, and I did because I accidentally had my timer set for 30 seconds instead of 60, I could heat it up again. So here is the reveal.